Hi everyone, Elevating Northern Colorado here. You know, March 19th marks a pretty big day on my YouTube channel. On that day, in 2011, this would have been the day when I started my YouTube channel as 87Kefka. And this was one of the first few videos I've done. We're going to do that exact same video, except this time we're not going to use a flashlight. As you can probably see here, we've got the flash on my smartphone. Now it's going to take a little while to wind this clock up, so what I'm going to do, or to get this clock to the right time, so what I'm going to do is exactly what I did 5 years ago. 3 chimes in 3 hours. So without further ado, 1/4 past. Come to think of it, this actually did maintenance last year. 1/2 past. Quarter 2. And on the hour. I want to make sure we do this very slowly so the thing can go off very smoothly. Oops. Oh, see how much better that is without the flashlight and just a camera flash? And now we are going to change to I think it's St. Michael's after this. Yes, it is St. Michael's. Oops, went a little bit too far. There we go. Okay, so this is the St. Michael's chime for the next hour. 1/4 past. Half past. Oh, that's interesting. Did the rod slide down again, maybe? I don't know. 1/4 2. Now they're all there. That was strange. And on the hour. And now, the final St. Michael's. There we go. Oh, I'm sorry, we just did St. Michael's. We're going to Whittington. 1/4 past. Very slowly. Half past. And 1/4 2. And on the hour. Well, folks, there you have it.